So my fifth and final technology is Kahoot, and I know this is one that a lot of people use. I have not used it. My co-teacher has used it. Um, so you sign up for the free, you hit that you are a teacher. I'm in higher education. I put in my email, my password, sign up, and let me see here. Um, So my fifth and final technology is Kahoot, and I know this is one that's familiar to a lot of people. I have not used it a whole lot. My co-teacher uses it quite often. You can sign up for free. You choose your account, so a teacher account, and then you choose, what level, which I'm higher education. I'm actually going to go back because I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Um, and there we go. So this allows you to put together like a quiz for the students to take. You can put this up on the overhead projector, and they can do it as a group. You can put up each question, and then they answer the questions. The faster they answer the question correctly, the more points they get. And the quiz, you can actually then create a quiz. So you can um, upload an image. You can type in a question, and then you can add your different answers. And then, like I said, the students have so many seconds to answer. The quicker they answer, the more points they get. And then at the end of the quiz, um, anyone or whoever has the highest score, of course, then quote unquote wins the game. If you've ever played trivia at like Buffalo Wild Wings, it's the same type of concept in the point system. This aligns with ISTE standard 3E, develop learning assessments that provide a personalized, actionable view of student progress in real time. And then also 1B, ensure all students have access to the technology and connectivity necessary to participate in authentic and engaging learning opportunities. And that is my fifth and final technology.